Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Temu app. If you want to delete your Temu app, the first task is to open the Temu app on your phone. And once you have opened the Temu app, click on the U option which is at the bottom of the screen. After that, you have to search for an option saying setting, which has a gear icon located on the top right corner of the screen, so click on it. After that, you have to click on the option saying privacy, which has a logged icon. Now from here, click on the tap here option, which is inside the additional privacy options. From there, you will be redirected to the deleting account page. In order to delete your Temu account, the first task is to click on the checkbox saying I want to permanently delete my Temu account. After that, you can click on the option saying continue. From here, you have to choose any of the option which is relevant to you why you want to delete your Temu account. For this tutorial, I'll be clicking on I don't want to provide a reason, and simply you have to click on continue. Final step before deletion of your account is to verify using an email address or password. For this, I will be checking on password. And once you enter your password, click on continue. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your Temu account. But if you sign in again within the 7 days, the deletion will be cancelled. So the final step is to click on confirm. So that's it guys. If you guys found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.